Hello everyone, this is Sika Templars Tarot. Today I'm going to do reading for Taurus for the month of April 2021. This will be reading for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start your reading, Taurus. So let's see what message you have for the month of April. You have Cosmic Gateway. I see like in this month, I see like you're just having a clarity and having a goal, and I see you manifesting that, and I see like whatever you're manifesting, it's going to happen for sure. And I see like there's no inclarity or there's no indecision here. I see you finally making a decision and knowing what you desire and just manifesting that in your life, and that is going to happen for sure. You have Love and Peace. I see like most of them here, you may be very guarded in the past, especially like people who are close to you. You may have not spoken to them for some people, or maybe a partner you have not spoken, or you had no interaction with them. But I feel like in the month of April, you'll be able to let your guards down, and I see you reaching out to these people. It can be one person or it can be a group of people in your life, but I see like you're letting go of being guarded here, and I see you choosing to heal yourself, and I don't see you being stubborn in the month of April. You have Infinite Abundance. So I see like there's obstacles or any kind of a problem which will be removed from your life for the April month, and I see like healing is going to take place, and I see like as soon as there's obstacles or a problem which will be taken out from your life, I see like you'll be ready for the new journey here, and there'll be a new path, and I see like you are ready to receive any kind of an opportunity in your life. Let me check your emotions. I see like there will be a moment, maybe there's a person in your life you had blocked them, or you're trying to like not let them in your life, or you're trying to avoid them, I think. But whoever it is, I feel like you're just feeling uncomfortable to do that, but you feel it's the right thing to do to avoid this person, whomever you're dealing with, and this may be stressing you a lot. And I see like even though you feel uncomfortable by this energy or something, I don't see you like you're just being very nice to them or something. You're just taking time to make some kind of a decision here regarding this individual. For some people, you may be dealing with a Sagittarius, or you may have Sagittarius in your chart. But I see like in the April month, it will show you a beautiful way in your life, and I see like there will be a better journey in your life, and I see like this journey will be not like before, how you had like faced obstacles or any kind of stress or something. I don't see like it will be like a past thing, but I see this will be a new journey, and this will bring you a lot of happiness. And especially who are in a commitment or something, this month will be a little bit tough, I feel, and I feel like this will be like a month where your commitment will be tested here. And just believe in impossible and just have a hope on a situation, and there's some kind of a situation you're just giving your energy, and I feel like that situation is not giving you back how much ever you're giving, and I see like nothing is going to come from that situation. So I feel like if there is any kind of a friendship, or if there is any kind of a commitment here, I feel like how much ever you're giving, you're not receiving that, so that may be stressing you a lot. And this month it's going to give you a clarity that nothing is going to come from a certain situation. And I see like there may be a new person who will be like around you in the month of April, and I see like this person, whoever this new person, This person wants to know about you more, and I feel like there'll be like more talk between you and them, and I see like you both are going to know about each other more, and I see like there's a new energy entering in your life. And other hand, I see there's a old person here with whom you have a commitment with, and I see like this is a decision you have to take here. But I feel like there's a new person who is coming in your life, and they are ready to know about you more, and they're ready to build a connection with you for sure. And I feel like you're just happy with this energy whichever it's coming towards you, and I don't see that this connection is stressing you a lot. But when it comes to your past situation, like you're just conflicted, you don't know what to do here. Maybe this is a situation where you're just thinking more about the practical side, or you're just looking at the things in the mindset. I don't see like you're just letting your emotion to make any kind of a decision. Maybe that is a reason you're not able to make a decision here. But divine is telling like you have to like rely on your heart more than your mind, and there'll be a stability in your financial and the love life coming your head for sure. And clear your space, any kind of a negative thought or any kind of a hurt regarding the past issue or something. So as soon as you like remove those things from your life, you'll have a space for the new energy in your life. You may be wishing for something to happen, so in case if you're wishing for something, it's going to happen for sure. If you have so much like hope or wish, it's definitely going to happen. Remain positive, and there'll be a new beginning in your life, and this new beginning will be not like as soon as you heal yourself, you just step into a new thing, and just there'll be a commitment or something with this new individual. But I feel like it will be a step-by-step process. It will be a slow process, but I feel like this is going to lead to a happy place. There's a new journey which is going to come place, and there is some kind of a truth you have to know regarding someone here, and that truth is going to come out for the month of April for sure. And I see like most of them like you're not interested to be in a commitment. I see like you just wish to be a single here, independent, just enjoy the life here. But I feel like this is a reason which is like you're just conflicted and you're trying to avoid a situation here because you want to be single, independent. But I see like you're going for that. You're just wanting to be single, and you're just looking for your happiness. And I see like you're taking time and just realizing what to do with this commitment. And I see like you're ready to know more about this new person here. You're more interested, I feel here. Let me see your past energy. I feel like there was some kind of an imbalance, or it can be a situation where you had to make a decision between two people here. Maybe a friendship, or it can be like more than a commitment. It's like friends with benefit kind and a commitment here. You have to make a decision between both here, I feel. And I feel like you had to make a decision, so you may have like stepped back, and you may have not given energy to the both people here. You may have stepped back and just take time for yourself to make a certain decision. But I see like you feel like it's better to be in a friend zone more than a commitment. You feel like it's better to be a friendship more than a commitment, but you have an emotion towards them, but you don't want to be in a commitment, and this is like triggering you a lot. This can be a situation. If it's a third party situation, I feel strongly like you may be juggling between two people here, and you're just wishing like with whom you have to build a commitment or a strong base with them. And I see like you couldn't make a decision, so you're regretting, or you're not happy with that whatever happening in your life. So as you plan, it's not happening, so you may be like feeling down here, I feel. may also realize, like, in case if you give energy to this person, and if you like be like just a flirting kind or a dating them, not taking things seriously, even though the situation is going to bring burden, maybe like your person needs a commitment but you don't want a commitment, maybe that's an issue here. You may have an emotion towards this individual, but I see you choosing to walk away from this situation because practically I feel like maybe there's a difference in the religion, or maybe a difference in the way you people think, you both think. Maybe there's a difference, some kind of a difference here. So you may feel like you can't be with them, and I feel like you just chosen to walk away from this person here for sure. I feel like more than a commitment, it can be a friend. I feel I don't see it's a commitment kind. I see it's a friendship or friends with benefit, or you may have visualized it as a friends with benefit or friend like that, but they may have taken into a other level. They just want a higher level commitment, I feel. You have a strong connection, strong bond with this individual, and you feel like they are the one for you. But sometimes because of something, when you think about some regarding a past or regarding something, regarding future or something, you feel like you both cannot be together for the future, and so you may have chosen to walk away, but you have strong emotion and you are very attracted towards this individual. And walking away from this individual, it's like stressing you a lot. I feel like you don't want to, but you feel this is the right thing to do, but you know they are going to get hurt, but you are choosing to move forward. Whatever the case, I see you moving forward here. So I see you moving towards a career path or a new opportunity, to grab some kind of a new opportunity. I see you leaving this individual and moving forward. For some people, it's a case like where you have to decide between your career or a person here. So you may feel like your career is more important, so you may have left this person even though you have emotion towards them. So Taurus, I feel like your person, they may have given much to this connection, or they may feel like they have to work things out with you, they want a reunion with you. But I feel like they may have walked away from this responsibility. They may have given much in the past, but I feel like they have become silent in the past, like better not to give, because they think like they have given much to this connection. And I see them, they're not taking any kind of an action in the past. Instead, they are just ailing themselves and just waiting for you. I don't see any kind of an action from that person, whomever you're dealing with. They may be a fire sign here, or they may have fire in their chart. So this is a past energy. Let me check your energy for the month of April. I see in the April month you're just being logical, being practical. And this is like whatever you're taking action, it may be very harsh, or it can be like you're just thinking about yourself and doing things. So this may be like upsetting you, but you feel like this is the one thing you have to do for yourself, and I see you doing that. And I see like most of them are concentrated on your career, King of Coin and the Page of Coins. So you're concentrating on career, and I see you investing on something, maybe a work or studies, or it can be like any kind of business or asset or any kind of a thing. I see like there's an investment I see in the month of April. But still you have a lot of emotion towards this individual, but I don't see you expressing that. Instead you're just having that feeling within yourself, not telling them. But I feel like in case if you're in speaking terms, or you're just like you're just chatting or something like that, I see like you're just not expressing the emotion. Instead you're just messaging them like regular thing, like hi, how are you, like that. I see like I don't see you like being very connected with this person here. For some people it can be also an energy like you are going to directly tell this person that you can't be in a commitment, or you can't continue with them. No more you can continue with them. You may tell them directly, and you may have also told them like you're just concentrating on yourself and you want to build your future, like that. And there's going to be a communication regarding this for some people. And for the rest, it's like a situation where you're like not happy with the situation, how it's going, but you're just doing your work. And even though you have emotion towards them, I see you not showing that. I see you ending things and moving forward. 10 of Swords and Ace of Wands. I see you finally ending things and moving forward. And I see like you're putting yourself first here, like self-worth thing. But I see like even though you don't like to ignore this person, you feel like it's better to ignore because you're just concentrating on yourself. I see at first they may be stalking you, and this may be bringing them a lot of burden because they have to take action towards you. They may be keeping so many things within themselves when it comes to your person. So in the month of April, I feel like they may be stalking you and they just feel burdened. So I see them reaching out to you because they see you as happiness. 10 of Cups, 6 of Wands. I see them coming towards you and giving you attention here and making like doing things which makes you happy. And I see like they're coming with an offer also. They're just showing their emotion towards you. They feel that you are the one for them, and they feel a strong connection where they can't hold back their emotions. So I see them reaching out to you again, but I don't see that you're just responding for that. And I see you being very practical here. You're not thinking like, you're not using your emotion. You're just thinking you're in the mindset of practical. And I see like you're not letting your emotion to be shown. And I see like they are just observing you, like what you're doing, like that, everything. I see like stalking also going on here. But I see like there's a certain time where they feel very tired of reaching out and you're not responding. So they choose to like work on themselves. Even they try to choose to work on themselves. Queen of Wands, it's them. I see like they are coming to their power and just working on themselves. And 6 of Swords and 7 of Coin. They are like walking away. Maybe like they are like physically they're like walking away from you, like maybe shifting somewhere. In case if you both are living together, they may be shifting. In the month of April, they may choose to leave you and move forward. But still they're waiting. I see still they're waiting, but they may choose to walk away because they feel like they're not getting what they want here. Let me see like you whether you're going to meet a new person this month, whether there'll be a new person coming into your life. Let me check. I don't see like this month will be like any kind of a relationship or any kind of commitment or something like that, but I feel like you are like giving your energy to yourself. 6 of Coin and 9 of Coin. You feel it's right to be single, and I don't see you showing your interest to anyone here. Five of Coin and the King of Swords. I see you leaving people behind who are just interested with you, and I see like you're just concentrating on yourself, and I see you taking your control back, and I see you controlling your life and not letting any other person controlling. Maybe this is an issue like in case if you're in a relationship, maybe the other person is controlling and you don't like that. Maybe this is a reason you're just leaving that person behind and just choosing yourself. Seven of Wands, Queen of Swords. I see like you're just blocking other people, thinking practically, being harsh towards others, not letting anyone to spoil your stability. So that's what I see here. I don't see any new love coming your way, but I see like you're choosing yourself. Maybe because you have known your self-worth, and I see you concentrating on yourself, so you're not interested in love, relationship or anything else. But I see like so that you are not interested in relationship, I see like you're not able to find the other person. So your person, I feel like they're starting to understand the connection with you in the month of April. I feel like in the April month, they are going to have a realization, or they're going to feel more connected with you in the month of April as soon as you start to avoid them. And they feel like distance, even though they're far from you, they feel you everywhere, and I feel like they have a strong connection. More far they are, they feel strong connection with you, and they feel like they have to leave you behind in order to heal themselves, and they know that you are leaving them behind. So before that only they are leaving you, and they see a future with you. So this is what they feel towards you. They feel a strong connection with you, and they see a future with you. So this is what message I have for you, Taurus. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.